Currently, there's a lot of misinformation that is going on Twitter and other internet forums in regards to episode 5 of Attack on Titan season 4. So I thought of making this sort of clarification video to clear up the situation so that you do not fall prey to any fake news that is currently circulating on the internet. So hello and welcome to Undervisey. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Attack on Titan season 4 episode 5. Now yes, episode 5 is actually not coming out this weekend and rather it is delayed by 1 week and it will come out on 10th January instead of 3rd January. But it is wrong to say that this is kind of a delay, but rather this is a week off or this is a break week, and this is something which happens every year and this is not something new. So please do not fall prey to any fake news that is currently circulating the internet that this is actually a production meltdown that happened because of Studio Mappa's oversight. That is actually not the case, and this situation has got nothing to do with Studio Mappa as a whole, but rather this is something which happens every year and not just to anime but rather to manga as well. Because the first week of New Year is always a holiday week and every anime and manga that is scheduled to release upon that week is delayed by one particular week, and this is generally regarded as a break week. All your favorite anime shows, all your favorite weekly anime shows are also delayed. This is not just something which is happening to Attack on Titan alone. This is happening to One Piece, this is happening to Digimon Adventure, this is happening to Boruto. This is currently happening to all the weekly anime shows that are currently running. So please do not get scared or anything that this is actually a production delay or production meltdown and this happened because of Studio Mappa. That is totally not the case. This is simply a break week for Japan, and I hope that the artists and animators who are currently working so hard get a well-deserved off. So that is the thing, and thus episode 5 is actually coming out on 10th January, and that particular episode is absolutely going to be a legendary one because the declaration of war is coming up very soon. And of course it will be telecasted on the usual time, and as usual there will always be a 5.5 hours delay for the actual subs, the English subs to come out. And you all know about these kind of stuff, but I just wanted to repeat this fact for the sake of clarification. But this is it for this quick explanation video. I hope this will help you all to stay wary of all the fake news that is currently circulating on the internet. But that's it for today guys, thank you so much for joining in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Wondervisey and I'll see you soon in the next video.